Hello YouTube, I just wanted to share what I believe the best way to locking and securing your shipping container. I purchased this security box off of Amazon. I believe it to be very reasonably priced. Basically, it comes with a template for both components on each door where you drill your holes, placing a bolt in each hole and securing the component to the shipping container door. It has a discrete place here where you put your padlock. I highly recommend that you purchase a D-shaped padlock. This bar rotates, so you could imagine if someone takes an angle grinder to this, it's going to be a little bit more difficult and take a little bit more time to cut that. Obviously, I don't know if anyone has ever tried to use an angle grinder or cut one of these padlocks. I did it in less than a minute. I seen on YouTube where someone actually picked this type of lock in like 10 to 15 seconds or something like that. Obviously this is not foolproof. If somebody had some time, they could probably break the bolts, but this is just a deterrent. Obviously the shipping container doors has a place to secure bolts, but again, you know, we're just trying to deter somebody or buy yourself a little bit of time. I will also be recommending some cameras in another video. Thanks for watching.